It's been a shake-free week, but things are still intense. Tearing up the President's State of the Union speech, Nancy Pelosi went hard. Okay, girl.
Tessan is a mommy! And what a way the baby sweet! Welcome to the world, Zaya Christine.
So he thought that yelling out that he has the coronavirus on a plane was a good idea? He had another thing coming. That plane turned back so fast.
Okay, no man. Less than 3. So why did Beyonce and Jay-Z remain seated during the national anthem at the Super Bowl? Well, Jay says they forgot to stand because they were so focused on the performance. Okay.
Cool. And finally holding the spot this week, the murder rate. What is going on? We really need to stop the senseless killings. It's not worth it. That's it for the Intense 5 this week. Remember, lots more next week, and follow us on IG at TVJ Intense.